The last report to prepare at the end of the reporting period is the balance sheet. This is the report that shows assets and equities at a point in time, the last day of the reporting period. Current assets, the major current asset, one of the major current assets is stock control, $9,400. Now the best place to get that figure, $9,400, is to go up to the stock card, and the last figure in the stock card, 9,400. That is the value of stock at the end of the period, 9,400. If there was 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stock cards, you'd have to add up the final balance in each of the stock cards to come up with the total value. In this business, there's only one stock card, so it's easy, 9,400. That's the total value of stock. So that's the figure that goes into the balance sheet. Stock control, 9,400. We've already worked out the bank figure. That was the 17,420 from up there, the cash flow statement. So total current assets, 26,820. There's only two non-current assets in this business, $12,000 and the delivery van, $40,000. They were the same values at the start of the period as per the original balance sheet. There's been no change. We just copy in the original values given in the original balance sheet to come up with our total asset figure. And then we do the equity side, the GST. To do that GST, you've got to work it out, of course. So here's the calculation. We were given a balance of $3,000 at the start. That's the amount owing to the ATO. We add the amount collected during the period, that $550. That $550 comes from here, $550, cash receipts journal. We take away the payments, GST $330, that comes from the cash payments journal, and we're left with a balance of $3,220. And that's the amount that's still owing to the ATO. It's a current liability. It'll be paid within 3 months usually, and there it is in the balance sheet. Owner's equity, the capital, that's the figure in the original balance sheet, plus the profit determined by the income statement up there, $1,800. We take away the drawings. In this case, that was drawings of stock. Remember that drawings? That was the drawings in this memo, $200 worth of stock. So it's not cash drawings, it's stock drawings, to get $75,600, the net equity, owner's equity, and assets equals equities.